Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. I'm also doing great, and this is the festival season starts, which from August, July, the month end. So every month there is a festivals, right? Again, the Rapier Silk segment has bought from Kesaria Manufacturers new varieties. So today I brought for you the varieties from friendly budget 460 to 900. What? 460 to 900. Quality, unique designs, color charts with lovely colors and lovely weaving work sarees, pashmina varieties, copper butta varieties, and you have a jalak fancy weaving work sarees. Let's have a look. So before that, subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon, just click it, keep watching the video, and you can add into your business by COD options. So first I'll start with lovely jalak fancy weaving work sarees. I have a very pretty beautiful sarees with the beige color, with coffee brownish color, the Bimala fancy collections. Every saree pattern I'll open one saree. This is one of the beige with copper brown, and next is light kesar orange with red, one of the color with caramel color mini piping. You have a one more chart, and light mehendi green with caramel brown. Again you have a ocean blue with one of the light purple or lavender shade. So I have one saree which I will show you the beautiful color charts. This is the saree. Okay, this is a Bimala fancy jalak peach with dark, one of the caramel mini piping. So beautiful saree. You have a light mehendi green is a beautiful lovely royal pallu. In this I have showed you the color charts with the same saree. You have a different colors and different designs, which from 460 to 900. I have not mentioned the actual prices over here. Now I'll start to show the price for the beautiful lovely pashmina variety, one more saree, which is a Rani pink color, lovely heavy weightless saree. We have seen in the royal silk, which was very fancy, but in the rapiers this segment is very weightless. You can see like a kalamkari based, the beautiful design painting with a covered saree. This is one of the pattern. This is DGN Miss World Vol 4. DGN Miss World Vol 4 is the code. You can take a screenshot. You can contact. In this I will show you the color charts. Dark yellow, dark peacock blue, and one is purple and one is black. See all these unique lovely designs. You can take a screenshot and you can quickly resell this. You can add into your business. Coming the next month, if I talk about Onam collections, Onam celebrations is going to come. So copper butta, based on the festival, the productions manufactures also many more varieties they are bringing for the customers, for the resellers. We are supporting for the resellers, dealers, wholesalers. Lovely half white with copper butta, heavy brocade pattern. Beautiful royal heavy look with fancy tassel with the Rama green. This is one of the pattern. All these unique color charts, you have a latest unique varieties. The pattern, if I talk about the code, which is Chiku Bacha Wall 1. Okay, this is the code. Okay, in this I have a color charts. I want to show you lovely colors with the bottle green or the green with half white. I have a green with half white. Again I have a black with copper, black grey with copper, magenta pink with half white, and again I have a bottle green with half white. 5 colors you can see in this also. Lovely colors. Now I'll come to soft silk varieties. So in this jacquard based soft silk, lovely color, chocolate color or caramel brown, brocade pattern with Rama green traditional border, lovely colors. See, this is the pattern. The saree comes like this, very pretty with the copper butta stripes pattern. This is the blouse, 630 blouse. In this you can take a screenshot, and you have a lovely colors with the bottle green. You have a purple with dark grey, and you have a peach pink, peach with caramel. You have a peach with caramel, and you have again beige with purple. Beige with purple. This is one of the pattern. These all exclusive varieties I have spoke to you about, from 460 to around 900 rupees of friendly budget collections. So 460 to around 900 friendly budget varieties. If you want to have a friendly budget varieties to make your customer satisfaction, resellers, dealers, wholesalers, businesswomen, entrepreneurs, Wait. I just want to tell you how will be the packing. You want to know? Yeah. Here is the packing you can see here. The beautiful Rapier Silk latest new collections of this copper butta, pashmina varieties and Jalak Fancy. These varieties are heavy box packing. These are all festival celebration colors. So resellers, quickly you can add into your business. So if you are already reseller, if you are a boutique reseller, visit, purchase is must. When you visit, there are many options of color charts. You can touch and feel the fabric of colors and the fabric quality, quantity. Every color charts you have a varieties and set to set based on the September to December. You have a regular festivals and the manufacturers also doing production these collections. So hope you enjoyed these collections of Rapier Silk latest new varieties. Subscribe the channel, friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please share with your friends, relatives, everyone, and don't forget from which city you're watching the video. Please share me with the comment and what kind of collections you are looking for, so I can create many more videos for you. And clothing business, a woman entrepreneur can run independent is very important for every woman. Being a housewife or side business you can do. So every woman can run a clothing business very easily. Education is not enough, but focus and important, and if you're really interested, you can run. So hope you enjoyed these collections. Next video will meet you with new more collections. Keep supporting me. Next video will meet. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम